What is Spark, FLR, and the Flare network? What is Spark, FLR, and the Flare network? Ever wondered how to reach the value of every blockchain? Now, that would be impossible. Why? It is because the value of over 65% of blockchain-based decentralized applications is locked. Therefore, it becomes a challenge to go for projects such as the Flare network. Flare discloses the additional versatility for cryptos and doesn't touch even a single security property. This is exactly what we are going to discuss here and try to answer all your queries, which may include what is a Spark, FLR, what is Flare network, and how the Flare network operates. Don't worry, you will get all your answers right here, right now. What is the Flare network? It is usually mentioned in the form of an FLR abbreviation address. Flare is said to be the first Turing-complete Federated Byzantine Agreement (FBA) network across the world. The avalanche consensus mechanism is commonly used by nodes along with the main adaptation to the FBA consensus topology. Being a consensus topology, the Federated Byzantine Agreement achieves safety without being dependent on economic incentives, which may conflict with several high-value and high-risk use cases. The Flare network uses the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM), enabling it to initiate Turing-complete smart contracts. A Flare virtual machine, which is quite identical to that of the EVM, helps convert the complex smart contract codes into the instructions that may be managed. Likewise, it creates a dApps ecosystem. What is Spark, FLR? Spark is the domestic token of the cryptocurrency ecosystem based on the Flare network. It is important to function smart contracts for XRP on a different network. For instance, the Ethereum-based blockchain ecosystem also contains smart contracts, however, they work among the blockchain itself. What are the benefits of Flare network? A specific part of the value in the blockchain networks may not be currently used in a trustless way through smart contracts. As per the project, the smart contract systems that are based on the proof-of-stake (POS) consensus mechanism or the derivatives would bear severe security challenges in the coming future. As per the Flare team, the security of the networks based on the proof-of-stake (POS) is derived from their domestic tokens. In this context, the Flare team adopts the procedure where validators store Bitcoin in their wallets to validate the transactions and blocks in return for staking rewards. Although it keeps the network secure, it still does not provide safe alternative use cases. For instance, the lending of ETH through a decentralized finance protocol provides a return of 30% annual percentage APY, while the staking of the same token provides only 5% APY. In such situations, most of the customers choose the first option of lending the ETH via decentralized finance protocol as it provides much higher rewards. Flare finance ecosystem. Whenever someone asks where to buy a Flare token crypto, the common answer is Flare Finance. While launched together with the Flare network, it becomes the first decentralized finance platform for the XRP owners. It is pertinent to mention that a unique governance structure creates an ecosystem where each holder is having an input in the future. This project is considered unique in comparison to the alternatives as it provides a list of the financial products and tools, such as FlareX. It allows the users of the Flare network to exchange currencies and make a passive income by supplying liquidity. It is also considered a basic decentralized exchange leveraging liquidity pools and an automated market-making model. The community may also use FlareX for staking tokens and making a passive income. FlareApp. It is considered a solution to bring an end to excessive transactions and charges. It also simplifies the bridging to the Flare network, and by avoiding the exchange process for several currencies, it also enables the users to make a passive income. Flare Farm. The members of the community are allowed to generate yield with the help of several stacking pools. For instance, the users may also stake XRP and other available currencies in order to earn extra money. Flare Mine. It is said to be a decentralized mining pool where the users are allowed to leverage their computing capabilities in order to mine Bitcoin and Ethereum. It also turns the earned tokens into FLR, Spark, automatically, so that the users may earn interest on the domestic tokens. Flare Loans. It is one of the prominent platforms for decentralized loans. However, the key requirement of issuing a loan is 120% of collateral, which shall be used to repay the loan in case of any delays. Unlike other platforms, the collateral on Flare loans is pretty low. For instance, a compound needs 150% or more for the collateral, and Synthetic's crypto platform doesn't approve collateral below 500% for some assets. Flare Mutual. It helps secure projects based on Flare network, and if any project is having breaches and malfunctions because of the poorly designed smart contract, it helps protect the project. It shares the issues with other users and pays them a share of the yield. What are Spark tokens? Spark, a TEF domestic token based on the Flare network, is aimed to provide smart contract capability on a different blockchain. It is collateral that is used to issue various F assets across the decentralized applications. It also provides data provision and governance, besides spam prevention, leveraging transaction charges within the network. For instance, the users are allowed to vote on the prices of F assets in the context of FTSO. It is worth mentioning here that the initial supply of FLR is said to be 100 billion tokens. The Flare network has dedicated 45% of the total supply to the owners who are eligible for XRP crypto, excluding the wallets with an address of Ripple Labs. Flare network Spark token price. As of 2021, the FLR coin crypto price was over 76 cents per token. Notably, the Flare network is considered very useful for Ripple, as it may also work as a bridge between the XRP ledger and a smart contract platform, for example, Ethereum. Therefore, the XRP shall have smart contract capability and enable it to be used for decentralized applications, decentralized finance solutions, and non-fungible tokens. It is pertinent to mention that experts believe that the value of the non-Turing complete coins having the transformational potential of smart contracts on a network may boost both the value and the transaction. If you are satisfied with all the information and if you've received all the answers to your questions, then you can also go through our website to find more such articles related to the technology.